Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. So you might know about Bitcoin and how its value is increasing day by day. Right now Bitcoin is worth around 48,000 US dollars, but just 2 years back it was just $6,000. It's still a lot, but nowhere near the price it was today. As it's a really expensive currency and we all can't afford it. But what if I tell you that you can just get Bitcoin for absolutely free? You don't have to pay literally a single penny. There's a very simple process how you can get Bitcoin for absolutely free. We can mine Bitcoin on any digital smart product such as your phone, your computer, your laptop, etc. The more you mine Bitcoin, the more percentage of Bitcoin you get. It is not a hard process to do. The process is very simple. There are thousands of websites you can go to and mine Bitcoin. But before we go there, I have to tell you what is basically Bitcoin mining and explain it to you so you can easily understand what is Bitcoin mining and how you can do it, and is it legal or not, or safe or not. But before we start, I will just like to say that please like and subscribe to our channel. It keeps us motivating so we can make more creative content for you. So, what is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer network. This means people are using Bitcoin are a simple single fraction, and all those people connected make Bitcoin. In paper money or the normal money we use, the government decide when to print money and when to distribute them, but in the case of Bitcoin, you can't do that. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive way of more people to mine. Since miners are required to approve the Bitcoin transaction, more miners mean a more secure network. The Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty of the math problem, depending on how fast they are being solved. In the early days, Bitcoin miners solved these math problems with the processors and their computers. Some miners discovered that graphics cards used for gaming were much better suited for all this kind of work. Graphic cards are faster, they use more electricity and generate a lot of heat. The first commercial Bitcoin mining products include chips that were reprogrammed for mining Bitcoin. These chips were faster but still power hungry. ASICs or application specific integrated circuit chips are designed specifically for mining Bitcoin. ASIC technology has made Bitcoin mining ever faster while using less power. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, more miners join the network, making it more difficult for individuals to solve the math problems. To overcome this, miners have developed a way to work together in pools. Pools of miners find solutions faster than their individual members, and each miner is rewarded to the proportionate of the amount of work he or she provides. Mining is an important and integral part of Bitcoin that assures fairness while keeping the Bitcoin network stable, safe, and secure. Now let's talk about the second part, and I will tell you how you can mine Bitcoin. How to mine Bitcoin. So mining a Bitcoin is not as hard as you think. As I told you earlier, there are thousands of websites to mine Bitcoin. So we are going to use two websites for this. One is Honey and the second is NiceHash. We are going to mine Bitcoin for 1 week straight, and let's see can we make money through that. We are going to mine Bitcoin on both of the websites, Money and NiceHash. And then we are going to calculate how much money we made and how much it cost us to mine. Because you also have to keep in mind the electricity cost. Because your mobile or your laptop will run on electricity, we need to factor in the electricity cost as well to keep the process economical and transparent. In the most of the cases, electricity bill is higher than the money we made. And let's see how much money we can make in 1 week from both of the websites, and then we can factor in the electricity bill cost. So I'm going to set up one website on my laptop and the second one on my computer. Both of the systems are running on electricity. Laptop is running NiceHash and the system PC is running on Honey. Now I'm going to check in the result day by day and see how much money each website make. I'm going to leave my computer for 24 hours straight on for 7 days. It will not be turned off in the whole process. So the process could be as fair as possible, and we can see that how much money actually we can make for 7 days. You also have to keep in mind that if your computer is more powerful and more capable and it has more GPU power, so you can make more money than me. Having more CPU power and having more graphic card can help you to mine more Bitcoin. So if you want to make money by mining Bitcoin, or you want to make a sequential amount of money by mining Bitcoin, you can invest in different system and different graphic cards as well. Different people also make different Bitcoin mining houses, which access to multiple graphic cards and the multiple systems. And these graphic cards and systems are so powerful that they can mine Bitcoin fastly and more accurately, and through that you can get more Bitcoin. Most people who invest in Bitcoin mining houses and plants also invest in windmills and use wind electricity, so they don't have to factor in the cost of electricity. In this way, using wind electricity, they mine Bitcoin, and in some days it will cover the investment cost and you will make profit within some days. Now we start mining on both of the systems, and I will tell you day by day the revenue I made in 24 hours. Now let's see the day by day report, how much I made through NiceHash. On day 1, we made $0.54, and it's not much, but we still have 6 days to go, and we will see the total result at the end. Do also keep in mind that you have to keep your system cool, otherwise it won't work properly and can shut down in the middle of the process. On day 2, we made around $4 of Bitcoin, which is not bad for just 2 days and a normal laptop. On day 3, we made more than $6 worth of Bitcoin, and do keep in mind that this can increase if the price of Bitcoin increases. On day 4, we made around $7 of Bitcoin without doing anything. On day 5, we made around $9. Now let's go straight to the 7th day. And on 7th day, we made around $14. So you can see, by using NiceHash, we made $14 in just 7 days. And it was absolutely free. We didn't even invest a single penny in it. We just used a normal laptop and made a lot of money through it. By just sitting home and using our laptop, we just made $14. But we have to factor in the electricity cost as well. But before doing that, let's go over to Honey and see that how much money we made through that. Now if we look at Honey, we made around $2 for 7 days, and that's way less compared to NiceHash. Now if we factor in the electricity cost, we are in loss. So just use NiceHash and use wind energy to mine Bitcoin. But if we scale it up and use windmills and Bitcoin mining plants, we can easily make up to 0.01 Bitcoin per day. And if we are using wind energy, we don't have to take care of the electricity bills. And in just some days, the cost of the plant will be covered, and through that, you will be making profit over those days. So it is a great thing to invest in, but do keep in mind, do it wisely. And I will recommend to use NiceHash over Honey, because NiceHash gives more profit compared to Honey. So that was it for today guys, and with that said, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep creating more of these creative videos, so we can keep growing, and do subscribe for more of these kind of videos. Bye and take care.